Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is the third time I'm cleaning it. The first time I did it I was just starting like up detailing and stuff, so I wasn't amazing at it. And then this car was previously taken to them people where you pay like a fiver or a tenner and then they just give your car quick inside and out. But this time she brought it back to me because I did a good job the first time. The second time I washed this car, I did a one-step polish or a one-stage polish, so that's why it looks really nice. And this is the third time today me cleaning it, and it come out beautifully. So like always, I'll start with the wheels, with the built hamber auto wheel, agitate with the brush, rinse off, and then use all my other little tools to get inside the barrel. And yeah, so enjoy the video. I've said this before, I just love the way this brush just pulls out that dirt from behind the barrel. When you pull the brush back out, you could just see it just coming out, all the dirt behind there. I do need some hints or tips from you guys. This is like the second convertible top that I've ever cleaned. There is some mold still. Well, it's not really mold, I don't know what it is, but right between the trim by the back window. I don't know how to get rid of it. I've used Auto Glims, soft top renovator or whatever it's called, I can't remember. I'm using Built Hamber's Surfx HD. I put quite a lot on this actually. A lot of dirt got pulled up from it, but it's still not lifting up them other bits like in between the trims. So if you guys know what products I could use or anything like that, please let me know in the comments and I'll give it a go. I know for next time when I rinse this roof, I should go on the other side to rinse it off the same way I applied the built hamber, because I'm literally just spreading that dirt across the other side of the roof. So that's a big mistake there, but now I know, watching this video back, what I could do to help the dirt come out safely and not contaminate the rest of it. Now I'm just rinsing down the car just to get some of that loose dirt off. That bloody fuel cap was locked, so you can see me getting stressed there, and I was like, for God's sake, it's locked. But I come back and unlock the damn thing. You can see me getting stressed when I opened it, and when I close it, it's like, yeah, I've cleaned you. Another Built Hamber product being used, and it's their auto foam. I think it's diluted 50/50, so it might have been overkill because this only had very light dirt on it. It wasn't really stuck on there, so, but it's cheap, so why not? I bought some more detailing brushes because the ones that I bought, they're quite old actually, and the brushes started to get really brittle and that. So I've just got a new set of brushes. So yeah, I'm using that to agitate in between the gaps where the wash mitt won't reach. Just add in a final layer of the snow foam because it's left in the cannon, where I didn't have to do the roof. I had loads left over, so I thought I'll just do the rest of the car once over one more time just to get rid of that last bit. Now I'm rinsing off the snow foam. I got some snow foam on the fabric of the roof, so that was quite annoying because it takes so long to pull out. I did also clean inside this car today, but I don't like really doing it. It sounds quite bad, I know, but if you guys wanted me to start recording myself doing the inside of cars, please let me know as well, because I don't know whether a lot of people like the inside cleans as well as the outside. I prefer the outside, so that's why I don't record myself. Onto the 2-bucket method. You don't see me dip it in the bucket much, but I do. I just cut out the clips of it. Again, where I've done the interior, I didn't do the door jambs or the door shuts. I did that when I'd done the interior. Same with the glass as well. I didn't clean the outside of the glass until I'd done the inside of the car. Another quick rinse to rinse off the 2-bucket method, but you don't want to see all that, so I'm just going to skip it in a minute. This drying towel just makes it so easy to dry the car. I love it. I don't think I've ever included this in the video before, but I do dry off the alloys as well, because otherwise it will just leave the watermarks on there, which doesn't look good at all, especially if the wheels are gloss black. My car's got gloss black wheels, and I think I forgot to dry them one day and it just looked horrid, so it's always worth drying off the alloys and the tyres actually. This stuff I got given or lent to me by a friend. It's the Easy Gloss Boss, or EZ if you're from England I guess. I spritzed on a few sprays, wiped it on with a microfiber towel or cloth, and then I used another one just to buff it up to give it that nice glossy shine, and my god, this stuff is pretty good and it's relatively cheap, so I am definitely going to invest me getting some of this. Another thing I found with this product is when it does start raining, usually the next day my car is covered with like dust spots, and this for somehow, I don't know how it works, but it prevents that. So yeah, definitely worth getting some, and I am going to go buy some myself. Just look at that gloss, it looks so wet. Oh. using Maguire's, I always forget the name, Endurance Gel, that's it, using Maguire's Endurance Gel as the tyre dressing with a microfiber pad, application pad. Yep. And this is the results afterwards.